What's the meaning of armoire? Armoire. Armoire.
Armoire. Armoire. An armoire is a type of tall, freestanding cabinet that typically has doors and shelves or drawers for storing clothing, linens, or other household items. The word armoire is derived from the French word for closet, and these pieces of furniture are often used in bedrooms or dressing rooms as a way to add storage space while also providing a decorative element to the room. Armoires can come in a variety of styles, materials, and sizes to suit different tastes and needs, and they are often considered a classic piece of furniture with a timeless aesthetic.